Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Programming Zone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of creating your own functions in Python. Functions are like the building blocks of efficient and reusable code. Get ready to transform your Python skills from beginner to brilliant by mastering the art of function creation. What are functions? Imagine you're building a robot. You wouldn't recreate the same code every time it needs to walk or talk. Instead, you'd create specific functions for each action, making your robot more efficient and versatile. Functions are like those predefined actions for your Python code. They allow you to encapsulate a block of code and reuse it whenever needed, making your code more organized and maintainable. Why are functions important? Functions are the cornerstone of modular programming. They break down complex tasks into manageable chunks, promoting code reuse and reducing redundancy. Imagine you want to greet a user and ask for their name. Instead of repeating the same code in different parts of your program, you can create a function that handles greetings and returns the user's name. Functions make your code more concise, easier to understand, and easier to maintain. Let's see it in action. Example 1. Creating a greeting function. Let's create a function that greets a user and asks for their name. Def greet user. Username equals input. What is your name? Printf hello. Greet user. This code defines a function called greetUser. The function takes no arguments and asks for the user's name using input. Then, it prints a personalized greeting using string formatting. The greetUser function can be called anywhere in the program to repeat the greeting process. Bonus tip: functions can also take input arguments and return values. Example 2. Creating an area calculation function. Let's create a function that calculates the area of a rectangle. Def calculate area length, width. Area equals length width. Return area. Rectangle length equals float, then input into the length. Rectangle width equals float, then input into the width. Area equals calculate area of rectangle length and rectangle width. Printf the area of the rectangle is area. In this code, the calculate area function takes two arguments, length and width. It calculates the area using multiplication and returns the result using the return statement. The calculate area function can be called with different length and width values to calculate the area of multiple rectangles. By now, you should have a firm grasp of creating your own functions in Python. Functions are your tools for code organization, code reuse, and code efficiency. Remember, functions are the foundation of modular programming, enabling you to break down complex tasks into manageable chunks and build robust and scalable code. So, go forth and unleash the power of functions to transform your Python skills and conquer the world of programming.